Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue working on primitives in Java, and we looked at some of the basic numbers. So if you will, let me make this bigger a little bit. Alright, so here is what we are going to do. Let's do a simple calculator. So let's keep our number. And then let's put int number 2. Let's number them as number A and number B equals 10, and then int sum that equals number A plus number B. So, and then we want to print this out. So we're gonna type in system.out.println, and then in quotation, if you remember, it's the basic concatenation. We are going to learn concatenation in different places as we go. So this is the simple version of that. So int sum, and then let's make a space here. And then space here doesn't really matter. So you can put it right here, but just for the indentation purposes and to get it more readable. So we can say sum, passing our variable. So this sum will go here, and this is just a string text. And we can close our parentheses and end our expression. And that should be it. Remember, this is still class primitive since the last time. So we will go to PowerShell. And let's change directory to tests. And then let's find primitive.java. So let's compile it. Java C. And then let's also open it up here, if you remember. So it's right here. We need to put the name of the class and .java. Primitive was the name of our class in .java, and I have a problem with version history, so dash dash, or let's put it together. I wanted output as for some reason that didn't come out right. I wanted Java 8. And then let's press enter. So this class is just created. If you see the timestamp, it's 8:40. So that tells us it has been just replaced. Every time we make changes, we have to compile it, just like all the other IDEs do. We are doing it manually like this. And then next thing, you just need to run it, and then let's verify. So let's go, and then we had, what numbers were they? We have add two numbers and print it out. Validate the sum equals 25. So let's see if we can do that. What do we have to do now? We just need to call this class, right? Java perimeter. That's it. We got my number 15. If you look at that, it didn't give us the right number. So let's go back and save this class. We probably didn't save it. So let's call it again. As you can see, it still shows the same. That also justifies why we have to recompile it. There you go. We have to recompile it every time we make changes. Let's not forget that. And then let's call it again. Sum is 25. Sum is verified. Next, let's do a simplistic. I hope it's not complicated that I'm doing that on the simple text editor. So let's take this sum and let's add a step 3. Divide sum by 5. Validate output equals 5. So how we do division? So let's do it here. And div sum divided by 5, as we are told, by 5. And then let's do another statement here. System dot print line division result is, and then let's put a space, concatenated with div, which is our value that's divided by the 5. And then ending expression. And then now what do we do? Let's remember to recompile. So since I already have it written, I just press the arrow keys to change back and forth between the codes that I typed. So first let's save this, and then now we can recompile. There we are. Now let's call it and validate if we can get 5 result as the division result. Alright, division result is 5. There we are. Okay, now let's add another task. Do deduct 10 from the result. Let's see if our compiler is going to be compatible. What was the result? Result was 5. So let's put here. And then validate the result equals -5. Okay. Now let's add our third lead or DED. Div was 5, so I'm not going to put 5 here. I'm just going to put div, and then we'll say, as the instruction says, -10. There we are. So I have to add my third expression here, system.out.println. The final result is concatenate NDD. So we are passing DED. That's going to give us, let's see if it will give us -5. So what do we do again? We are gonna have to recompile it. Oh, let's save it first. I'm sorry. If you don't save it, it doesn't matter recompiling it. So let's recompile and then call the class. Sum was 25. Okay, verified. Division result is 5. Let's validate it. And then final result is -5. That's also validated. Alright. Hope this gives you an idea how we are doing simple calculations. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you.